And my name is Dwayne. Shortly after the holiday, I know I still had some hot dogs left, and I wanted to barbecue. So I went out in the front of my house like I normally would, set my little barbecue pit up, got to throw my hot dogs. I remember putting the fire out with my garden hose. Put it out real good, at least I thought. So I dumps it into the dumpster, bring the dumpster around, the gray plastic one, spray more water in it, smoke everywhere. And I made a little joke to myself. I said, well, they're gonna think this place on fire over here. I doused the water, put so much water in the container, I had trouble pulling it back around the house. I go to sleep before it's dark outside. We're talking June. The sun goes down late. Woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning, my house was on fire. Talking about scared to death, I heard the fire. I didn't know fire make a noise. I guess a gust of wind or whatever caught it. And I looked down and I was like, oh. My neighbor, I woke them up and the side of their car was melting, the top of their house was melting, and I was horrified, man. It was just like, man, I can't believe this. And, you know, I could have died in that fire, man. Who lay up in a house 5 hours while it's on fire? That's something serious to think about, ain't it? And just the effort they shown to make sure they boarded their house up. Tom rode with me from day on, and then I met Jennifer, and then I met Bruce, and they treated me, man, like, hey, they really felt for me. I liked that. I mean, they felt my pain. I was like, man, this is amazing, you know? I get a little teary sometimes when I think about it, because they didn't have to act like that. I was lost, man. I've been here 26 years, I think. I ain't never had nothing devastating like that. The memories I have of this house, they're changing to new memories now. Everything's like brand new again. It's a whole new slate. I just think that you guys really care and you guys are professional. There's nothing I can say that I regret. There's none. I mean, they've met the deadlines, you know. Very good, all of them. Until I'm looking forward to seeing him again. When he gave me the estimate, and he said, you can think about it. And I said, no, man, I ain't thinking about nothing. I signed this thing. Let's do this. I mean, you guys was the first one I went to. I ain't never got an estimate from nobody else. I just appreciate you guys, you know. I would tell anybody, recommending you guys to anybody. Put a commercial out, let them know, hey, I'll be a spokesman for y'all. Y'all ain't gotta pay me nothing. I'm serious. It's like Bruce would always call me back and I say, Bruce, it's me again. I know you want to cuss me out. He said, no, Dwayne, I'm gonna answer the phone as you call me. I'm gonna call. I'm gonna answer the phone. And then he come around here, you know, he look at it like Fred Flintstone a little bit. Like yabba dabba doo. And he's serious though. He gets the job done. He makes his phone calls. He sends his guys out. That painter was amazing. I mean, with that taping up thing and the way he sprayed that paint, and he was so confident in how he did everything he said he was gonna do, man. It was just all amazing. I would just tell anybody, if you want a job done, you want it done professionally, with guarantee, I would contact Swartz.